mommy regular swimming over your mommy.
Angel.
Your arms and your legs.
Amber, can you turn yourself? Turn yourself.
Let's show mommy.
Turn yourself.
Let's show mommy. Come over this way. And so we can do some more relaxing swimming. Show mommy. Let's blow the bubbles underneath the water, okay? 4 times. Ready?
Good job.
Okay. We have 3 more. Okay, 3 more.
Wow, look at you, Amber. Yay.
Okay, 2 more. 2 more. No, we have 2 more and then you
Let her
can go
swim. Let her swim. Let her
Okay.
swim.
This way you get a...
No, she's fine.
Hey, be careful.
She is so cute.